Deep within each of us resides a spark of divinity. This spark is not just a fleeting moment of inspiration or a burst of creativity. It is a constant, ever-present force that lies at the very core of our being. It is the essence of who we are, a beacon of light that guides us through the darkest of times and illuminates our path forward. This is not a metaphor. It is a tangible, palpable presence that we can feel if we take the time to look within. It is the source of our strength, our wisdom, and our compassion. It is the fire that fuels our passions and drives us to achieve our dreams. It is a fundamental truth. This spark is the very foundation of our existence, the bedrock upon which our lives are built. It is the thread that weaves together the fabric of our being, connecting us to everything and everyone around us. We are all connected to a higher power, a universal consciousness. This connection is not something that we can see or touch, but it is something that we can feel deep within our souls. It is the source of our intuition, our inner knowing, and our sense of purpose. This connection is what makes us divine. It is what gives us the ability to love unconditionally, to forgive, and to show compassion. It is what allows us to see the beauty in the world and to appreciate the simple joys of life. This divine essence is not separate from us. It is not something that we need to seek out or strive to attain. It is already within us, waiting to be recognized and embraced. It is the very essence of who we are, the core of our being. It is not something we need to earn. It is our birthright. From the moment we are born, we are endowed with this divine spark. It is a gift that we carry with us throughout our lives, a constant reminder of our true nature and our connection to the divine. It is who we truly are at our core. Beneath the layers of our personality, our ego, and our fears lies this spark of divinity. It is the truest, most authentic part of ourselves, the part that is eternal and unchanging. Recognizing this spark within is the first step to spiritual awakening. It is the beginning of a journey that leads us to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It is a journey that requires courage, patience, and a willingness to look within.
Indeed, this spark is the essence of our being, guiding us towards a higher understanding. It is the light that illuminates our path, showing us the way forward even when the road ahead seems uncertain. It is the flame that ignites our passions and inspires us to reach for the stars and connection with the universe. This journey is not always easy, but it is always worth it. It is a journey that leads us to a deeper connection with ourselves, with others, and with the universe as a whole. It is a journey that brings us closer to the divine, helping us to realize our true potential and to live our lives with purpose and meaning.
Imagine a state of pure consciousness, a state of unity, of oneness. This is the source, the beginning of all things. There is no separation, no duality, only pure, unbounded potential. This is the initial state of God, a state of infinite possibility. Before creation, before the universe as we know it, there was only this, a boundless ocean of consciousness, brimming with the potential for all that is, was, and ever will be.
And from this boundless ocean, the universe emerged, bringing forth the myriad forms of existence we see today.
From this source, we emerged. Like sparks from a cosmic fire, we entered existence. Each spark carrying within it the essence of the divine. We are, in essence, miniature versions of the source itself. This is why we are capable of such great love, such profound creativity. We are not separate from God. We are expressions of God. Recognizing this truth is to recognize our own inherent divinity.
Truly understanding this connection can transform our perception of ourselves and the world around us.
Life, then, is a journey of remembering, a journey back to the source. It is a path that we all must walk, each step bringing us closer to the truth of our existence. Along this path, we encounter various experiences, some joyful, some challenging, all designed to help us grow and evolve. We are here to experience, to learn, and to grow. Every moment, every interaction, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. It is through these experiences that we gain wisdom and understanding. that we learn to see beyond the surface and recognize the deeper truths of life, to ultimately remember who we truly are, divine beings having a human experience. This realization is the key to unlocking our true potential. It is the understanding that we are more than our physical bodies, more than our thoughts and emotions. We are spiritual beings, connected to a higher source of wisdom and love. This is the purpose of life in spiritual terms. It is a journey of self-discovery, a quest to uncover the divine essence within us. It is about finding our true selves, the part of us that is eternal and unchanging. It is not about material possessions or worldly success. These things are fleeting and temporary. True fulfillment comes from within, from the realization of our divine nature. It is about living in alignment with our highest self and expressing our true essence in everything we do. It is about the evolution of consciousness. As we grow and evolve, we become more aware of our true nature. We begin to see the world through the eyes of love and compassion, and we realize that we are all connected, all part of the same divine source. It is about peeling back the layers of illusion and revealing the divine spark within. This is the essence of our spiritual journey, the process of awakening to our true selves. It is a journey that requires courage, patience, and perseverance, but the rewards are beyond measure.
Yes, unveiling our true selves is the essence of our spiritual quest, a journey that leads us back to our divine origin. It is a journey of transformation, of becoming who we truly are. It is a journey that brings us closer to the source, to the divine essence that resides within us all. As we walk this path, we are reminded that we are never alone, that we are always guided and supported by the divine. This is the true purpose of life, the journey of unveiling our true selves. Section 5, The Cosmic Dance, A Journey of Souls.
Our journey is not linear. We are eternal souls, constantly evolving, constantly growing. We experience life after life, each one an opportunity to learn and to evolve. This is the cosmic dance, the eternal cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Through this dance, we gain wisdom, compassion, and understanding. We learn from our mistakes and celebrate our victories. And through it all, we move closer to the source, to the realization of our true nature.
Section 6, Homeward Bound, Returning to the Source.
The ultimate goal of this journey is not to escape the cycle of life and death. It is to transcend it, to remember our divine essence so completely that we are no longer bound by the limitations of the physical realm. This is returning to the source. It is not an ending, but a beginning, a merging with the infinite consciousness from which we came, a state of pure bliss, pure love, pure being.
We are, at our core, adventurers. We crave new experiences, new challenges. This is not a coincidence. It is a reflection of our divine nature. The source itself is constantly expanding, constantly creating. This spirit of adventure is within each of us. It drives us to explore, to learn, to grow, to push beyond our perceived limitations and discover new possibilities. It is this spirit that ultimately leads us back to the source.
Our minds are powerful tools. They are capable of creating our reality. Our thoughts, our beliefs, our expectations all shape our experience of the world. This is why it is so important to cultivate a positive and expansive mindset. When we focus on love, joy, and gratitude, we attract more of these things into our lives. When we believe in our own power, we unlock our true potential. The mind is a canvas, and we are the artists of our own lives.
The source is always communicating with us, through our intuition, through our dreams, through the synchronicities and coincidences of life. We are never truly alone. Guidance is always available if we are open to receiving it. Learning to trust our intuition is key to recognizing divine guidance. It is that still, small voice within that knows the truth. The more we listen to this voice, the stronger it becomes, and the more easily we are able to navigate the journey of life.
The truth about God is not shocking. It is liberating. It is a revelation that brings us closer to understanding the essence of our existence. When we peel back the layers of societal conditioning and fear, we find a profound simplicity in the divine truth. It is the realization that we are not separate from the divine, but expressions of it. This understanding transforms our perception of ourselves and the world around us. We begin to see the divine in every aspect of life, in every person we meet, and in every experience we have. We are all connected, all one. This interconnectedness is not just a philosophical concept, but a living reality. It means that every action we take, every word we speak, and every thought we have ripples through the fabric of existence, affecting the whole. And within each of us lies the potential for infinite love, infinite wisdom, infinite joy. These qualities are not reserved for a select few, but are inherent in every human being. By tapping into this inner reservoir, we can transform our lives and the lives of those around us. This is the truth that sets us free, free from the chains of ignorance and misunderstanding, free from the constraints of a limited perspective. It opens the door to a life of boundless possibilities and profound fulfillment. Free from fear, free from limitation, free from the illusion of separation. When we embrace this truth, we step into our power as co-creators of our reality. We begin to live from a place of love and abundance rather than fear and scarcity. It is the truth that allows us to embrace our true nature as divine beings, here to experience the wonder and the magic of this incredible journey we call life. Every moment becomes an opportunity to express our divinity, to share our light, and to contribute to the collective awakening of humanity. This is the path of true liberation, the journey of embracing our true nature,